Every luxury bamboo handbag begins deep inside carefully managed bamboo forests. Only straight, mature bamboo is selected for premium manufacturing. Careful handling preserves the bamboo before factory processing begins. The harvested bamboo begins its journey to advanced manufacturing. Every shipment is logged before entering production.
Inspection begins the moment the bamboo reaches the factory.
Only flawless bamboo advances toward luxury production. Clean raw material ensures exceptional final quality. Every surface is thoroughly cleaned before processing. The transformation into luxury craftsmanship has officially begun. Controlled drying prepares every bamboo pole for precision manufacturing.
Uniform moisture is essential for lasting strength and beauty.
Every dimension is measured with industrial precision.
Experienced hands confirm what machines cannot always detect. Every surface is prepared without damaging nature's texture. Accurate cutting creates the foundation for flawless craftsmanship. Natural imperfections are carefully refined for premium production.
Strong bamboo becomes uniform strips ready for transformation. Consistency at this stage defines the quality of the final product. Now the real transformation from bamboo to luxury begins. Each strip is prepared with precision before becoming luxury material. Precision machining unlocks bamboo's natural elegance. Heat relaxes the fibers without weakening their strength.
Balanced cooling preserves stability for precise forming. Careful shaping transforms raw bamboo into graceful forms. Layer by layer, durability is engineered into every panel. Pressure permanently bonds every layer into a solid structure. Digital precision creates components with flawless accuracy. Every detail is refined to luxury standards. The handcrafted look now meets advanced industrial automation.
Digital tracking ensures every component follows the correct production path.
Every opening is machined with absolute precision. Smooth surfaces reveal the beauty hidden within the bamboo.
Protective finishes preserve both strength and natural character. Carefully controlled curing locks in lasting durability.
Precision hardware completes the structural integrity of every piece. Luxury details elevate craftsmanship, beyond simple manufacturing.
Every polished surface reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
The luxury form is complete. Now every detail must be perfected.
Luxury is defined by the precision hidden inside every stitch.
Every interior is crafted to match the elegance of the exterior.
Even the smallest mechanism must perform flawlessly. Refined edges create the unmistakable feel of true luxury.
Identity is added with precision, worthy of premium craftsmanship.
Every detail must shine before approval. Perfection leaves no room for compromise. The finishing touches complete the luxury experience.
Only immaculate craftsmanship proceeds to inspection. Now every handbag must prove it deserves the luxury label.
Luxury begins with uncompromising inspection.
Every millimeter is verified before approval. Strength is proven through controlled endurance.
Reliable hardware defines lasting quality.
Durability protects beauty for years to come.
Luxury must withstand every environment. Every feature must perform as beautifully as it looks.
Every luxury piece receives its permanent production identity.
Only perfection earns final approval. The final journey begins before these luxury products reach the world. Every luxury handbag receives protection worthy of its craftsmanship. Presentation is crafted with the same precision as the product itself. Every package is fully traceable from factory to customer. Automation prepares every shipment for safe global transport.
Every shipment is secured before leaving the factory. Finished products await their journey to customers around the world.
Every shipment is carefully prepared for global delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury bamboo handbags from start to finish.
Innovation and craftsmanship come together in every finished handbag.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.